Today I'm going to try a braid that I saw on TikTok that should create a double layer of braids, kind of like double knitting. Did not realize the cat was there. So I'm going to see how it works. Basically, I'm going to be doing two braids at once. We separate out our three sections, but now instead of passing all the way over, we're going to split this section up and down and bring them around the middle section, and then bring it back together as one whole section. Then this side, split it down the middle, bring it around the middle, and back together in the center. So this is how we're going to be doing two braids at once, basically, by doing a regular braid but pulling the sections both above and below at the same time, kind of like if you were to French braid and Dutch braid at the same time. I'm trying to split these in half, kind of like top to bottom. Ooh, as though there weren't enough strands to keep track of. What's happening? Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Split. Make sure it doesn't get tangled. Ooh. Gotta check for tangles as I go. Okay, here we come to the point of, do you need to take it over my shoulder? There we go. It's on this one. Ooh, getting tangled again. The only thing I don't like about braiding, especially something that's a French or Dutch braid, is pulling those sections apart and back together is causing some tangling. Okay, this section, split. And go around. This section, split. Go around. Okay, so on the top you can see regular 3-strand braid. And on the back, another 3-strand braid. So it has a very kind of 3D effect. She called it a box braid, which I feel is pretty inappropriate because box braid is a type of braiding done on curly hair, natural, African style hair, so I would not call this a box braid. I would call this a double layer braid. But it's a really neat effect. Some people are so creative. I don't know how they come up with these things.